Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of urinary system. So basically humans urinary system, it helps in the filtration process as well as removal of toxic wastes from the body. This system contains four organs that are kidneys, ureters, a bladder and a urethra. Kidneys are blood filtering organs which are paired organs, as well as urethra is also a paired duct which carries the urine from kidneys to the bladder. Then a urinary bladder is a storage of the urine that is blood filtered. Then the urethra is the organ which helps in the elimination of the urine. Talking about the function of the urinary system, the main function of the urinary system is to filter the blood and remove the toxic waste, that is salts or etc., which is not required to our body, should be eliminated. Now talking about each organ of the urinary system. Firstly, kidneys. The kidneys are the basic unit of the urinary system where filtration occurs. In the kidneys, there are millions of the tiny projections called nephrons, which is the basic unit for the filtration, which helps the filtration of blood and elimination of the wastes from it, that is the salts or urea and etc. It works constantly. It is located below the rib cage on the either side of the abdomen. The kidneys are usually the size as of our fist. The kidneys usually filter the blood 120 to 150 quarts per day and also helps in elimination of the 1 to 2 quarts of the urine or pee. Talking about the ureters, it is the thin tube which is present in the pelvis, which is connected with the kidney and another ending to the urinary bladder, which helps in the passage of the urine from kidneys to urinary bladder, so that the urine could be stored over there. It is usually 9 inches long. Talking about the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a triangular balloon shaped organ where the urine is stored and we could hold our urine there. It is hollow organ made up of muscle which contains both involuntary as well as voluntary. When the control is into the our hands, we called as voluntary control, where we could hold the urine, and if the tendency of holding the urine is lost, then the involuntary muscles gets started, where the urine is passed away. Then talking about urethra is a tube which carries the urine from the urinary bladder to the outside of the body. It is the organ which helps in elimination of the urine as well as the waste outside of the body. Talking about the some urinary disorders or infections like kidney stone, where it is a condition where small masses or clumps of toxic wastes are formed into the kidneys, which cause severe pain while passing out the urine. Then urinary tract infection, which is or sexually transmitted infections, where the urinary bladder or ureters get infected, or kidneys, where antibiotics are given in this case to recover from the infection. Then another problem regarding the urinary system is lost the control of the urinary bladder, due to which leakage or passing of urine is. Thank you.